Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. I have found another free open source AI model and its name is DeepCoder-14 billion. This model is expert at coding and they have mentioned that this model beating OpenAI O1 and have the same benchmark like the OpenAI o3-Mini and it is beating DeepSeek R1 distill model also. This is the official post on together.ai announcing DeepCoder-14 billion and O1 and o3-Mini level coding and reasoning model fully open sourced. And here you see that they have released everything like dataset, code and training recipe. I will discuss that in shortly. Here you see that this is the comparison chart that they have given. So on the right hand side there is a O1 and O3 mini and on the left hand side there is a deep coder, and it is clearly visible from this chart that this deep coder completely beating this OpenAI O1 and have the same benchmark or performance like the o3-Mini. And below there is a two dot. One is for the DeepSeek R1 distill 14 billion and another one is the DeepSeek R1 distill 32 billion. And this deep coder is actually beating that two models. Now the question is how to use this model. Now we will use this Ollama to use this model, and also we will do the setup with the VS Code client and with the VS Code Copilot. Okay, yesterday I made a video on this Copilot VS Code agent. So if you have not watched this video till now, please watch this. If you watch this video, then you will understand that how to do the setup with the VS Code and Copilot and also this agent mode. Okay, so now first of all install this DeepCoder from this Ollama. I have given this link in the description, and here you see that currently these two model available. One is this 1.5 billion, another one is this 14 billion. And if you want to get the best performance from this model, then install this 14 billion, right? So it is around 9 GB. Please install this, and the simple command is written here, Ollama run DeepCoder. I have already installed it. Here you see, just paste this and press enter. It will be installed locally. And here you see that I have asked it that hi, and after that here you see that this thing, that means it is a thinking or reasoning model, and you will get the best performance. As I have already installed this DeepCoder model locally, I will be able to access this model from this VS Code client. So please install this client extension, and after that go to client settings, and here under this plan and act mode, choose this API provider as the Ollama, and here you will find this DeepCoder 14 billion. Just select this model and click on this done, and here you will see that below this Ollama 14 billion is selected. Okay, now how to use this with the VS Code Copilot. Now for that, open the Copilot. Here you see that this is the icon. By the way, if you have not downloaded this Copilot yet, go to your VS Code extension and just search for the Copilot here. Okay, and you will find this two Copilot option. One is this GitHub Copilot, another one is this GitHub Copilot Chat. Install both of this extension, and after that follow my cursor. Here you will get this icon and click on this open chat, and now this chat will be opened. Okay, now here yesterday we did a setup on this VS Code agent, and also we did the setup for the MCP server. Now here we will add the model from this model section, and here you see follow my cursor. There you will find this manage model option. Click on it, and here Ollama is present. Select this Ollama, and after that this deep coder is showing. So just select this deep coder, click on this OK, and now here you see that successfully registered Ollama model deep coder. Now the process is simple. Like for this client you have to give the prompt here, and for this Copilot you have to give the prompt here, and it will do the rest of the things. Okay, so this was a simple procedure. Now if you want to learn the technology that they have used, this is the website, their official website that they have shared. They have used this GRPO plus technology, a stable version of GRPO. If you don't know what is GRPO, here you see that group relative policy optimization. It is a reinforcement learning algorithm particularly effective for enhancing reasoning in large language models, means the LLMs, which optimizes the model by comparing groups of responses related to each other. rather than relying on external evaluators. Okay, so this is the GRPO, and they have removed some of the policies from the GRPO, and they are calling it as a GRPO plus. Okay, now if I show you some of the things that they have removed this no entropy loss, and they have removed this no KL loss from the GRPO, and after that they have applied some of the strategies. Okay, and if I show you another thing, if I scroll down below, then by the way, I have given this link in the description. Please read this article. You will understand many of things from this. Okay, and their 1.5 billion preview model is focused on the math reasoning only. That is, they have shared. I hope this short video is helpful for you guys, and this new model, you please try this and let me know your thought, that what experience you are getting from this DeepCoder. And if you have not watched the other videos also that I have published in my channel, please watch that, and please subscribe this channel if you want to get this type of videos more daily.